English dapat. Sa amin? Tanaw na sa YouTube para pohon. Do you agree that men okay, dito kami
Lumipad po ang
10 years from now, ano yung kapag kita mo sa sarili mo? Adik.
10 years from now, I see myself as a American
Next, na nasa Amerika.
na nagbaligya og bilat.
Dali ay.
Kakain ng borak.
So, me,
Galapat dapat.
masasabi natin ngayon na si Jimmy ay isang
Ang masasabi ko sa masasabi niya ay nasasabi ng lahat.
ikaw, 10 years from now.
10 years from now, I'm going to see myself as a cyber girl. Para datong dayon. Isa lang kagamitan.
Makita lang yan sa kwan.
10 years from now, I see myself as a successful Boricat. Three AFAMs. Wow, AFAMs na ikaw. And they have 12 inches per head.
So, ako na isang.
Go.
10 years from now.
10 years from now, I see myself with my 50 babies as a successful Boricat mom, and I think
Ikaw.
so 10 years from now, I see myself as a single mom with 12 babies, and I do believe that I don't need a man, I just need a money.
Wow!
10 years from now, I see myself as a whore walking in the street.
Kuya, mga future na yun, ikaw.
Wala kita. 10 years from now, I see myself that I have a Thailand.
Sunod kita na yung magluha-luha na ka mo, yung memories.
10 years from now, I don't see my face.
Bulag yan.
Bulag sa pag-ibig.
Dapat pa, pinakagwapa.
Lies in the Oriental because we have spotted a wakwak. Monster. We spotted a monster nearby. Nicole Katayong seatmate. Look at this